Being impartial when watching the news or engaging in whatever news or debates, even. It's something I'm trying to do recently since there is more negativity, more and more negativity, I feel like, especially when on Twitter or reading an article. I think Twitter is the most problematic one. A lot of negativity going on. And I noticed that oftentimes, and there's a lot of studies to prove that, we don't feel great at all consuming that information or news because of the negativity. There is a negativity bias there, and there's a lot of fights, a lot of partisan fights, and it doesn't make you feel good. It really doesn't. It's not healthy for us. So one thing I'm trying to do recently is being impartial about it. Look at it in a non-partisan way, and in a way disengaging from the actual fight. It's really good because it has a few benefits. One of them is we're not getting invested and we don't feel as negative. So what we need to do is we need to look at it and zoom out kind of way. We need to look at it as one thing I'm doing, for example, is looking at the strategy. What everyone are trying to do here. What is the point? Why are they choosing this argument versus that argument? Looking both sides. I'm following both sides and trying to get a picture of what everyone are trying to do. What's the strategy here? Why are they doing A rather than B or X rather than Y? So one benefit is that I'm not getting as negative, or I don't get the negative feelings as a consequence as much. Another good thing about it is that I'm actually learning something because I'm seeing the strategy here. I'm looking at what's going on. I'm trying to understand the background information here. I'm actually learning more about politics in general and what everyone are trying to do. So more like a psychology experiment kind of an idea. And I think in general we need to do that more than getting identified with one part. We can obviously do that, but I think we need to do it less and less because this is not for us to do, and it impacts us badly, as we can see what's going on Twitter. It's just amazing to see when you don't identify with it. It's not as easy as I said, and obviously I often find myself identify with one side or another, but I think we need to do it more because it's not healthy for us. Thank you.